In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your previous tax returns inside of TurboTax. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go into turbotax.com and then sign into your account. Once from here, you'll be able to see this page right here. And from here, you'll simply need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to where it says Tax Home. And from here, you'll see Let's Finish Your Taxes over here. From here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see Resources down here, where you'll be able to see My Account and Tax Return and Documents. Once from here, you'll simply need to open up Tax Return and Documents, and then you'll get an overview of all of your previous tax return years. From here, you'll be able to see that you can download the tax file down here, and once you click on that, the download should be downloading, and you can see it up here, and then you use your .tax file to be able to see your previous tax returns. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!